Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In this session, we start with question number 59. In the previous session, we ended on question number 58. So let's start with question number 59. The question says, if the number of P is equal to 54, and the number of Q is 27, and the number of P intersection Q is 69, P union Q is 69, find the number of P intersection Q complement. Okay, so let's draw a simple Venn diagram. Let's draw a simple Venn diagram. Okay, and we have two circles in it and another circle here. Okay, so now let's do P. N of P is equal to what? 54. And N of Q is equal to what? 27. And then P union Q here simply means the universal set. Okay, universal set. So the universal set is U is what? 69. This one, 69. P union Q, that means everything in here is equal to 69. So they are telling us to find what? P intersection Q, that is everything here, intersection Q complement, that is everything outside of this. We should find everything here. Things that are common to P and also common to Q complement. Q complement means everything outside of what? Q. So that means everything here is Q complement. So basically what they are telling us to find is a complement of, an intersection of P here and everything outside of Q. Okay, so that intersection will be what? This area here. That is what? P only. Okay, so if we put X here, that means this side will be 54 minus X, and then this side will be 27 minus X. Okay, so we are trying to find this area right here, 54 minus X. So first we need to find what is X. Okay, so we know that if we add everything here, we should get what? 69. Okay, so let's add it so we can find X. So we have 54 minus X plus 27 minus X should give us what? 69. Okay, so this X cancels this X, so the left is what? 54 plus 27, that will give us 81. Okay, am I right? 81. Okay, 81 minus X is equal to 69. So X will give us what? X will give us 81 minus 69. That would be 12. No, 81 69 minus 2, so we have 12 here. 12. So 12. So X is what? 12. So now we can now find P only, this region we are trying to find here, which is 54 minus X. So we have 54 minus X, and we know X is what? 54 minus 12. Okay, so our answer is 42. So the answer we have is 42. This side here is 42. Okay, cool. Now let's go to question number 60. Question number 60 says, if let's draw a simple line here so we can have a separation. Okay, cool. It says if X is this set right here, X is said that X is less than 7, and Y said that Y is a factor of 24, and they are both the subset of this universal set, then find X intersection Y. So we need to first write X and then Y, then we find the intersection, and each of the X and Y should be a subset of this, so they should be between 1 and 10. Okay, Cool. So let's write it down. So x is equal to the set between, so x less than 7. Okay, so we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's x. Now y is what? A factor of 24. So we start writing the factors of 24. We start with 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, then 6, then we have 8. Then we can go to 12, but we know that our set should be not less than 10. It should be between 1 and 10. So we cannot add what? 12. Okay, we can't add 12. So we end at 8. So now we need to find the intersection of these two sets. What are the intersections? What common element do they have? We have 1 here, 1 here, 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here, 4 here, 4 here. We have 6 here, 6 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? So that's our answer. Sorry. So x intersection y is equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, so that is our answer. That is our answer. Cool. Let's move on to okay, we have the option there. Yeah, we have it, which is C. Okay, we have C is the answer. Cool. Let's move on to question number 61. Question number 61, we've been given a diagram, a Venn diagram, and then we need to use that Venn diagram to solve question number 61. Okay, it says using the Venn diagram, find x union z complement intersection y. Okay, so x union z means everything in x and z together. Okay, so everything here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 is what we have here, x union z. So the complement will be what? Everything outside of here. That will be 8, 10, 11. Okay, that's the complement. So this one is 8, 10, 11. This one. Okay, so now let's write it so you can see it properly. This side of x union z complement is 8, 10, 11. Okay, cool. Now we need to find that intersection with y. We know that y is everything in this circle right here. Sorry, this circle right here. That is y, which is what? 2, 4, 7, 8. Let's write it down. Y is 2, 4, 7, 8. So we need to find the intersection of this and this. What do we have? What do we have? The solution set is what? What elements are common between this and this? Only 8, right? Only 8. So our answer is 8. Okay, 8. Cool. That's our answer, which is A. A is the answer. Cool. Let's go to question number 62. It says if P is equal to this, and then if Q is equal to this, if P is this and Q is this, find P intersection Q. So let's write these numbers down, okay? And then you find the intersection. Okay. So P is equal to the set from -3 to +1, and they are all non-inclusive, okay, because of the sign. So we have -2, -1, 0. That is P. Okay, let's now find Q. Q is from -1 to +3, and they're also what? Non-inclusive. So we write it 0, 1, 2. So that is our Q. Now we need to find the intersection between this and this. Which elements are common? The only common elements are what? 0 and 0. Okay, So P intersection Q is the set 0. So this 0 is between what? -1 and 1. Because after -1 you go to 0 then 1, right? So 0 is between -1 and 0. So we can write this in the set notation form. Okay, so let's write it. So we have -1, this right here, this. Okay, -1 less than x less than 1. Okay, so this is our answer. Do we have it here? Okay, yes, we have it here, right here, D. Okay, so let's circle that, D. Cool. Thank you so much for watching this session. In the next session, we move on to question number 63. So thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye.